Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So today's video is again very special for DU students, for CBSE students and IGNOU aspirants. So here in this video we are going to discuss about in detail that Delhi University has opened its colleges for third year students, but still hostels are closed and outstation students are facing lot of difficulty. Then we will discuss about the date sheet of CBSE that is clashing with the JEE main exams. So because of that also students are facing a lot of problem. And then at last we will discuss about the latest notification on IGNOU website that its term end examinations December 2020 are going to commence from 8th of Feb. So watch complete video, and if you want educational updates on a daily basis, subscribe to Kingdom of Learning. So now first of all let us discuss about Delhi University. So as we all know that on 29th of January an order came from Delhi University that from 1st Feb the classes for third year students are going to start. Means third year students could they have been allowed to come to the colleges for their practical examinations as well as their classes. But from 1st February till date, it has been observed that very less number of students are coming to the colleges. Even teachers are also not able to come in 100% attendance as ordered by the university. So there are various reasons behind that. So actually it is seen that most of the students, those who are outstation, means those students who don't reside in New Delhi, those who come from different parts of India, how will they attend their colleges because hostels are closed? So how impractical is this decision of the university? Like you are opening your colleges but you are not opening the hostels. So it's not possible that where will those students live, those who don't live in Delhi? So actually it is believed that many students from different colleges, they come from different states of India. So in St. Stephen's, hostels have been opened, but other colleges are not ready to open their hostels because they are saying that they don't have enough facilities for that. So now this problem is being faced by outstation students, means they are just puzzled ki what to do and what not to do. Means if the university will not provide them a space for living, then how would they start attending their colleges? So that is the reason that most of the students are not being they are not able to come to their colleges. So then I think there is no use of opening the colleges if you don't open the hostels. So as far as teachers are concerned, teachers are also simply baffled because suddenly they got an order to report in the colleges from February 1st, but they are saying that in most of the colleges even phone network is not available. How would they carry on with their online classes with that poor Wi-Fi systems? So they are also complaining, teachers are also not ready to attend their colleges regularly. Many of them have started, but still some teachers are not coming to the colleges. So now it is very disheartening to see that all the things have been started but no proper arrangement is there. Means hostels are closed, teachers are not coming, then why will the students come and what will they do over there? So this university management has to look into this matter. So now we will discuss about the CBSE date sheet. So as we all know that CBSE has released its date sheet for 2021 examinations for 10th and 12th class. So but recently it has been observed that the exams of means some exams of class 12th are going to clash with the JEE main exams, which are going to be held in the same month as CBSE board exams. So now as per the CBSE date sheet 2021, biology exam of class 12 students will be held on 24th May, while the JEE main exam 2021 is scheduled from 24th May to 28th May 2021. So now the thing is that around 5 lakh students are expected to appear in JEE main exam, and a good number of CBSE boards class students are also appearing in the exam, in the same exam. So how will it be possible for them, like in the same duration? Board exams are also there and JEE main exams are also there. So how would the students prepare for both the exams? How would they like make it convenient to reach to the centers, all these things? So this is highly disheartening. So now these students have sent a complaint to the National Testing Agency, but it has been noticed that they have refused to change the date sheet. Means it has been said that there won't be any change. CBSE has refused to change the date sheet. So now we have to see whether NTA changes its stays for JEE mains or not. Might be, but I think they will have to change because this is a very practical issue, and some changes are definitely required. So now we will see about IGNOU December term end examination are going to start from February 8th. So this is another very important news. So actually these exams will start from 8th Feb and they will continue up to 13th of March. So as per the official notification, some 7 lakh students are registered to appear for this exam, and here the university has established 837 examination centers, including 104 centers for jail inmates and 19 overseas centers for international students. So actually means if you don't know, IGNOU allows education to anybody who is residing anywhere in the world. So you can enroll with IGNOU and you can get your education completed. So actually these admission cards have been issued to most of the students who have applied and are found eligible for these term end examinations, and if you have also applied for them, you can just download your admit cards from the official website of IGNOU, and you have to start preparing for your exams because already it's very late. Like these exams were supposed to be held in the month of December, but due to this COVID pandemic, they got delayed, but finally their dates have been announced. So now you all have to start studying for your exams. You have to start preparing for your exams, and very soon your exams will start. 8th February is hardly 1 or 2 days left. So I wish you luck, those who are preparing for these exams. So I have covered up all the important educational updates in this video. So if you want many more updates on daily basis, subscribe to Kingdom of Learning. And moreover, if you want to improve your English, then also you should subscribe to this channel, because here you will get such videos on regular basis. So thank you everybody. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.